Hey guys, today I would like to share with you a healthier pancake recipe, banana oatmeal pancake. Super easy to make, all you need is a blender. I've also done a very delicious blueberry pancake before, so if you haven't watched it, make sure to check it out. Now let's go over the ingredients.
You will need some milk, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, lemon juice, honey, egg, oatmeal, and bananas. Go to foodbyamanda.com for the full recipe. First of all, add the lemon juice to the milk, set it aside for 5 minutes. The milk will start to curdle and it will give that fluffy texture to the pancake. In a blender, we are going to add milk, egg, bananas, and honey. Blend until all the wet ingredients are incorporated. Add all of the oatmeal, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Blend the mixture until as smooth as you desire. I like to pour the batter into a separate bowl so it's easier to scoop out later. Heat a frying pan over medium heat with a dash of vegetable oil. Pour the batter onto the pan with a big spoon. When you start seeing big bubbles forming on top, then it's time to flip. The first pancake is usually the testing pancake, so don't worry if it turns out a bit ugly. Cook the pancakes until golden brown on both sides. Here it is, the delicious and fluffy banana oatmeal pancakes. Enjoy with maple syrup or fresh fruits if you like. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!